Hey everybody, it's me, Kofu, and today it's another unboxing video. Sorry for the noise in the background. So, it's a mystery unboxing, but judging from the size of it, I'm pretty sure I'll know what it is. So yeah, let's get to unboxing, and it's very small, so I shouldn't need like a big table for it this time. So, yeah. And, I always make sure about these boxes because with what's going on outside in the world, I always disinfect my hands every time I touch the box, and I always disinfect every product with a wipe. So yeah, this is really hard to open with the tape. Oh my god. Ooh, I had a feeling what it was, so yeah. Let's disinfect real quick. Keep your guys. What I'm trying to say is, please stay safe. Keep your hands clean at all times. Keeping your hands always washed, fresh, clean, and try not to go outside as much. I'm gonna move the microphone closer so you guys might hear me better. But what this package is, I'm kind of happy about this one, guys. It's my motherboard. It's not in a shrink wrap that I thought it was, that I expected it to be, but it's brand new. Very brand new. And this one's going to work with my AMD Ryzen. It's going to work with it really well. It's also virtual reality as well. It's ultra durable. It's lasting quality. It's a Gigabyte motherboard as well. It's AM4, so it's going to work with my CPU, of course. I don't know. Wow, they actually use tape to hold this box closed. Never seen that before, but yeah. I think I might as well open like inside of it, but I'm not gonna take the whole thing out, but I might as well just open it to make sure that everything is in working order. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna flip it open. Ooh, wow. This motherboard is very, very clean. Okay. It comes with SATA cables. These cables are going to be very useful when hooking up my hard drives and SSDs to my computer. So, yeah, this is very, very pretty. Oh my god. Should I take this whole thing out? Yeah, I might as well. Oh my god, this thing is pretty heavy. Oh my god. I'm not going to take it out of the bag yet, but this is the motherboard and it's pretty heavy. Oh my god. I'm handling it with all the care it needs right now. With extra care. Wow. Gotta put that down softly, gently. And the I/O shield. This is gonna help me decide or help me know what the ports are on the thing. And pretty much that's it. Well, there is a CD in here, but I don't think like gaming computers nowadays use CDs, but I'm pretty sure there are some people that do. So yeah, I'm going to leave that be for now. I'm gonna put this back in here. along with the SATA cables. Close this up because I'm not ready to build my computer yet, because as you guys might tell from the community tab, and also if you guys saw the other videos, I am missing 3 more parts. But right now I'm waiting for 1 more part though to come in, as right now I don't have a lot of money, so I was able just to afford, well, this right now. This is my motherboard, guys. This is the B450M DS3H. And this thing is very beautiful, that's for sure. This box is really beautiful too, holy crap. I'm like speechless because this thing is very beautiful, very pretty. And it also, oh yeah, I just realized, if I wanted to make my my case very pretty, I could put like RGB strips, RGB cables, or RGB light into it. And this thing also has like a way to support your LED lights. My goodness. Yeah, also I'm not sure if it does show it on here, but I'm able to hook up at least, if I had the money though, at least though. It can hook up an M.2 on here. It could hook up at least 4 drives, so if I wanted to have more space on my computer, then it will help me. And apparently it has like, I don't know how you say it though, but like 3 little circles at the end. I think that's for like the sound and stuff like that. I'm not sure, but this thing will definitely help me with my video games, that's for sure. This thing is going to help me a lot. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end this right now, but I'm very happy to receive my motherboard. This is one of the biggest key parts for a new computer, is your motherboard. Alright, so I'm gonna end this here, so thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment down below. Alright, take care guys. Bye-bye.